How to turn on Snapchat live location. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in order to turn on your Snapchat live location so that your friends can see where you are in real time, you can follow the simple steps. So for that, you need to go ahead and open your Snapchat application, log into your account, and also make sure that the Snapchat application is up to date. After that, you can pinch the camera screen to open the Snap Map, like zooming out on a map. Or you can tap on the profile picture icon in the top left corner of your screen. Then after, scroll down and then tap on Snap Map. This will ask you if you want to allow Snapchat to use your location. Tap on Allow, and Snapchat will use your precise location for the features like filters and Snap Map, and for advertising, personalization, and product improvement. You can also adjust later in your device settings for turning on or off the Snapchat live location. Now, another thing you can do is you can go ahead and tap on your gear icon in the top right to go to settings. Go to the section of privacy control and tap on See My Location, that is under Activity Indicator. You can see that the ghost mode is enabled for me. The ghost mode hides your location. You can go ahead and turn this off. Then tap on Allow, and your live location will be shared with your friends you selected. And if you want to choose certain people to see your location, you can go ahead, tap on See My Location, then tap on Changing Settings under Who Can See My Location, and select your friends and accept. Just decide who can see your location. Note that Snapchat updates your location only when you have the app opened. You can turn off live location anytime by enabling ghost mode on the Snap Map. So that's it for this video. This is how you can go ahead and turn on Snapchat live location. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.